There's a cat curled up tight. She's asleep all through the night, purring softly in her bed, dreaming dreams with her little head. Oh, cat, cat, nap with me. Close your eyes so calm and free. Fluff your tail and curl up tight. Nap, cat, nap all through the night. In the sun, she loves to lay, sleepy moments through the day. She stretches long and yawns real wide, then finds a cozy place to hide. Oh, cat, cat, nap with me. Close your eyes so calm and free. Fluff your tail and curl up tight. Nap, cat, nap all through the night. When she wakes, she'll stretch so high, then chase a toy that zooms on by. A little jump, a little play, then back to napping all the way. Oh, cat, cat, nap with me. Close your eyes so calm and free. Fluff your tail and curl up tight. Nap, cat, nap all through the night. So if you see a cat today, she might just nap or want to play. But no matter what, it's always fun with a sleepy cat beneath the sun.